Good morning, class 1. Welcome to your English literature class, children. So, previous day we were doing the back exercises of chapter 8, right? We were doing chapter 8. So, what we have done in the previous class, we have done page number 75. You open your book at page number 75. This is word wall, right? So, we have done this in the previous day's class, right? And come to page number 76 now. Page number 76, this one also we have finished in the last class, and we were discussing grammar time, right? So the describing word. So on the basis of this describing words, we will do one exercise today, okay? And this part also I have explained to you properly. So what we have learned in the previous day's class, we have learned about the describing words. So what are describing words? Describing words are the words that describes the noun. Okay, suppose if I say this is a blue pen. Now what is pen? Pen is a noun, naming word. So I am talking about this pen, right? So this is a blue pen. Okay, so here the word blue is describing the color of the pen, isn't it? Describing the pen, how the pen is. So it is blue. Okay, so blue is the describing word. Okay, so describing words, they describes the naming word. We know pen. Pen is what? Pen is the name of this object, right? So this is noun. Pen. If I say Sita is beautiful, now here I am describing Sita. How is Sita? Sita is beautiful, right? So here beautiful is the describing word. So in this way, in this chapter also we have learned that that Seema has got a beautiful blanket. Well, how is the blanket? Beautiful. So beautiful is the describing word, right? So it is made of colorful patches of cloth. What kind of patches? Colorful patches. So colorful is the adjective. So this way we can describe many things. Okay, we can describe the naming words with a word that is called describing word. And when you go to the higher classes, this describing words are, you'll read about this, that this describing words are called adjective. Okay, you learn it in the further when you'll go to class 2, 3 and 4, then you will read it in detail. Okay, now what we have to do today is page number 76 you take out. So can you think of describing words that can be used with the following? So here we'll get three nouns, okay, naming words. One is day, then flowers, then food. So here the question asked is, can you think of some describing word that can be used with the following naming words? Here we find three naming words. So what are these? Number one is day, then flowers, then food. So can you think of some word that can describe this? Suppose day. If you want to describe, say something about, if you want to say something about a day, what you'll say? How you'll describe a day? Suppose early in the morning you woke up and you have seen the sky is clear. Okay, what you'll say? Today is a day. What kind of day? Sunny. Sunny, because the sun is shining brightly, we call the day sunny day. So here I'm writing this for you. You will also write with me sunny day. We can describe a day by saying sunny day, rainy day. If it rains on that day, we can say today is rain. Today is a rainy day. Okay, so here we can describe it like sunny day. SUNNY, sunny, day, day. Then one more, two examples, two we have to give. Next one we can give rainy, 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 DAY, day. This way, sunny day, one is sunny day and next one is rainy day. Next one, flower. If you want to describe this flower, how you will describe? Any flower you can describe. So how you will describe flowers? When we think about flower, what comes in our mind? Beautiful flower, isn't it? So you can write beautiful, BEAUTIFUL, beautiful. So beautiful flower, beautiful, first one. One more. So here in the picture we can see some flowers. What is the color? Yellow. If I say I like red rose, what kind of flower? red flowers. I like my favorite flower. Our flowers are red in color. So I can say red flower, isn't it? So you can write here, we can see on the page, we can see some yellow flowers. So you can write here yellow flowers, YELLOW, yellow flowers. Here beautiful flowers. So this way you can write, you can describe flower, lovely flower, isn't it? This way, beautiful flower, then yellow flower, isn't it? Now next one is food. So food, how can you describe a food? So sometimes we say tasty food, delicious food, right? Isn't it? Delicious, DELICIOUS, delicious food. Number one, DELICIOUS, delicious, delicious food. And one more food, delicious. You can write the opposite also. You can write fast food also. When you go out, you like to have fast food, isn't it? That also you can write. Or you can write rotten food, rotten, that this food is rotten. So you can write rotten, ROTTEN, rotten food. We should not eat rotten food, right? So this way, ROTTEN, rotten, rotten food, delicious food. So this way we have described these three nouns: day, flowers, and then food. So day we have written sunny day, rainy day; flowers, beautiful flower, yellow flower; then food, delicious food, rotten food. So these are what? This delicious, sunny, rainy, beautiful, rotten, yellow, all these are what? These are all describing words. Okay, so this is what we will do today, and in the next class we'll do exercise number 2 of grammar time. So you all read it, write this in your book itself. Okay, afterward you can copy this in your CW copy also. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.